absolutely love this soap. It came out exactly how I imagined. Welcome to Rusalka Soapery and my YouTube channel. My name is Simona and let me show you how I made this soap. First I start by blending true red. So I take shine red mica and add a little bit of red iron oxide to it, just to add a little bit of more orange tones to bring the redness out. I mix my colors with a little bit of warm water. I find it in that way it's easier to disperse the colorants and add them to my soap batter. Next comes black color to represent smokiness in the fragrance of the soap. This time I'm using black pearl mica and not black iron oxide or activated charcoal like I always do, just to have a look how the end product will look like. Also, a soap with a steep water discount, therefore I know that additional water that I'm adding with micas will not make glycerin rivers for me. I have to tell you about this fragrance, because when I smelled this fragrance out of the bottle, I immediately knew the color scheme for the soap. So it's Devil's Door from Nurture Soap, and it says it's spicy, masculine, smoky and sweet, with notes of vetiver, beeswax, ambret, cumin and Opoponax. I had to actually Google how to pronounce the Opoponax and what is it. So according to Google, it's a glorious gum resin that is smoky and soft, luminous and sensual at once. Well, yeah, I can definitely smell that. I'm doing a drop and chopstick swirl to achieve a fine wisps of color that I think will bring out the smell of this fragrance. to use Tiggy's technique, Tiggy from Future Primitive Soap Company, and her famous flip top. So I'm just layering the colors, and then I'm gonna take a spoon and flip just like that. Spicy, masculine, smoky and sweet soap is done. Thanks for visiting my studio and my channel. If you have any questions about my soap making, leave me a comment and I'll get back to you. Bye for now, until my next video.